அக்கா கதவு சாத்திக்கோங்க. Hi, hello, welcome to GG Creations. This is Lekha Mohan. So super duper offer sale today. No messages, ma'am. Endha message enakku varamatingide. What happened? Messages are not displayed for me. Hi Chitra ma'am, LRC ma'am welcome, Nagaratna ma'am hi, Deva hi welcome, Neeraja hi welcome, Meenu ma'am welcome, good afternoon, thanks for joining. Hi Pavitra, Kamashi ma'am welcome, good afternoon, thanks for joining. So I have pinned my WhatsApp number also. WhatsApp number will be 73977392200 for all your bookings. So you can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number for all your bookings ma'am. Hi Ramya, welcome dear. Shubha, hi, welcome. Satya, ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. Ma'am, messages எனக்கு எதுவுமே இந்த இதுல டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகல. இன்னொரு போன்ல தான் டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. அதுல இருந்து பார்த்து உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே விஷ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Hi Sangeeta ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. After long days I joined. Okay, welcome. Anupama, hi. Good afternoon, Anupama. Good evening, Arun Kumar. Good evening. So today we are going to see இன்னைக்கு என்னென்ன ஆஃபர் சேல் என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். நான் வந்து ஸ்டேட்டஸ்லயே மார்னிங்கே உங்களுக்கு இன்டிமேட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். Soya post daily. Okay ma'am, I received bangles ma'am, really awesome. Thank you Neeraja. Yes, இதுலயுமே டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகுது. வெல்கம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு என்னென்ன கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் நான் டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்றேன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். உங்களுக்கு யாருக்காச்சும் இன்டிமேஷன் வந்துச்சா? நோட்டிபிகேஷன்ஸ் இன் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இன் Facebook also I have given the notification. What all collections are live in today? Today delivery the jewelry super ma'am, I like so much. Okay Satya ma'am, welcome. Kavya hi, welcome. Pendants, bangles, haram. Yes Sangeeta, super ya. Samaya irukku. We have pendants, bangle malas. Okay, hi Shubhiksha. So please share my page ma'am. Share பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. எவ்வளவு முடியுதோ உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணலாம். ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டு எனக்கு ஒரு thumbs up மட்டும் கொடுங்க ஷேர் பண்ணியாச்சுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Who all is ready to share my page now? Share the live. Hi Suma ma'am, very good afternoon. Thanks for joining. After a long time joining in live, Suma ma'am. Alamelu ma'am, welcome. Sita Devi ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே பெண்டன்ட் செட்ஸ், ஹாரம் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு ஆஃபர்ஸ் இருக்கு. நான் ஆஃபர் போக உங்களுக்கு பிரைசஸுமே சொல்லிடுறேன். பேங்கிள்ஸ் கலெக்ஷனுமே இருக்கு. டுடே லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் பியூட்டிஃபுல் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் கோயிங் டு கம் இன் டிஸ்கவுண்ட் சேல். ஹாய் ஹரிணி, வெல்கம். ஸோ இப்போ நான் போட்டிருக்கிற பெண்டன்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஆஃபர் சேல்ல தான் இருக்கு. வெரி லவ்லி. திஸ் இஸ் வித் சவுத் ஸ்க்ரூ பேட்டர்ன் மேம். இது வந்து ஸ்க்ரூ பேக் இயரிங்ஸோட தான் வரும். ஹாய் ஹாசினா, குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன். குட் ஈவினிங் மா. சுகன்யா, குட் ஈவினிங். I am Geeta joining the live first time. Oh, hi Geeta ma'am. You can follow my page ma'am. 15 minutes early live. Yes. Hi Geeta ma'am, welcome. Shalini hi. Archana ma'am, welcome. Good evening ma'am. Hi Vani. Good evening Vani. So இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணலாமா? வியூவர்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் ஜாயின் பண்ணட்டுமா? Shall we wait for the live? Hi Leela ma'am, very good evening ma'am. Hi Rekha, welcome. Subhadra ma'am, welcome. Good evening. Thank you Shubhiksha. Thanks for your hearts and likes. Hi Lipika ma'am, welcome. Good evening. Okay, we'll start with the live. So first pendant which I am wearing, this is all Jeddah stone pendant sets with the balls here. And in this we have 3 color combinations. One is with blue color, one is with ruby, and other one will be green. In the color first kudunga in the pendants. So I have totally 3 color combinations. All the 3 colors will be lovely in this ma'am. Gomadi Vasu. Hi Vanuja ma'am, welcome. Prema ma'am, welcome. Good evening. So we will be having a blasting live today. Ella collections mein iniki romba alaga irukum. We will start with the live. So in this collection, it's a very beautiful piece with a 2-layer chain, and you'll be getting Jedau stone pendant sets and with the screw back earrings. So all the three, this is a combo of 3 pieces. Hi Archana ma'am, good evening. Vanuja ma'am, good evening. Prema ma'am, good evening. Welcome. Ramya, hi. Hi Pavitra, welcome dear. Shaila ma'am, good evening. So lots of beautiful collections in the Christmas ku, you New Year ku romba alagana collections irukum. So you can grab yours soon with the very beautiful discount offers today. So idhula 3 colors mein irukku. So this is we have ruby in this. We have ruby and I have green in this. These all are very lovely pieces ma'am. This is green and I have blue. So 3 color combinations, very awesome, and you will be having a screw back earrings. With the screw back only will be earrings will be ma'am. Earrings paranga na potiruken idhe size da. The earrings will be the same pattern, very beautiful piece. Hi Sarita ma'am, good evening. Satya, hi, good evening. Purnima, hi, good evening. Shubha, hi, good evening. Hi Pallavi ma'am, welcome. So this is all with the very beautiful screw back earrings, lovely piece. Don't miss it. And this is MRP will be 2,400 ma'am. MRP will be 2,400. After discount you will be getting for only 1,920 rupees. 1920 after discount ma'am. Ma'am, this dress is super nice blue color. Thank you. So this is priced only for 1920. 1,920 rupees for this pieces. Lovely color combinations. All the 3 colors will be awesome in this. It's a very beautiful Pepsi blue. This is ruby and this is green, bottle green. All the 3 colors will be lovely ma'am. Only for 1,920 for this pendant sets with the screw back. So I'll show you the back camera also. Back camera I got it, Rosie. I'll show you the back camera also. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number ma'am. All the colors will be lovely pieces. This is priced for 2,400. Now after discount you will be getting for 1,920 rupees for this piece. 1920 for all these pieces ma'am. Each piece will be 1920. You can see the tag also. This is 2,400. Price will be 2,400. After discount you will be getting for 1920. 1,920 rupees with the earrings. Hi Geeta ma'am, welcome. Ramisha, hi, welcome. Poonam, hi, welcome. This is for 1920. So in the same pattern I am having one more design. So that design is also very unique ma'am. That is this first design we have shown in Chandbali pattern. So which I am wearing the same piece, I am wearing this. It's all Jedau stones with Jedau kundans. Very beautiful piece with the earrings. All with golden balls. Hi Selin ma'am, good evening. So all with the golden balls you will be getting. There is no pearls in this ma'am. Idhula pearls irukadu. So in this same pattern, I have one more color, one more design also. Hi Veena, good evening Veena. So this is one more lovely pendant ma. This is also Jedau kundans. We have blue color and one more color I have in green. 2 color combinations available ma'am. Multiples we have in this. So this is priced for 2,360 ma'am. MRP will be 2,360 rupees. After discount you will be getting for 1,890 rupees. 1890 with the earrings. 1890. So takken screenshot eduthu book pannikonga. Romba alagana earring sets with golden back screw. It's all not push back. This is all a screw back ma'am. Idu color kaatuma pinadi. So this is for 1890 ma'am. 1890 after discount you will be getting. So this is the piece. See the finishing and the combinations. You will be getting Jedau kundans with Jedau kempu also. So this is the earrings for this. So you can see the back side of the screw. It's all center screw with a beautiful finishing. 1890 after discount. 1890. So next we'll go for one more pendant. That is also very beautiful pendant, right? So super one pendant with a lovely peacock ma'am. You will be getting a very beautiful peacock with full of stones you will be getting with this. Good evening Divya. So it's romba alaga irukku. It's with ruby combo. Full white with ruby you will be getting with this. So in this we have two color color combinations. So I have in this 3 color combinations. This is price for 1000 rupees, ma'am. Now after discount it is only for 900. 900 rupees, ma'am. After discount you will be getting for 900 rupees for this piece. So this is also very beautiful. Only 900 rupees for this pendant set with the earrings you will be getting this. So this will be the size of the pendant you will be getting with this. So this is the size of the pendant and earrings also very beautiful. Hi Munilakshmi ma'am, welcome. Shainaz, hi, welcome. Satya, hi, welcome. So this is price only for 900 ma'am. 900 ரூபாய் மட்டும் தான் வருது. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. Super duper pieces you will be getting with this. So this is one color. This is full white. I have full ruby in this. So earrings will be like this type. Hi Sarika, welcome. So this is the earrings, ma'am. So this is for 1000 rupees. After discount you will be getting for 900 rupees. Only 900. No COD Tanya. Only online transfer. GPay, PhonePe and direct transfer, account transfer. This is only for 900 rupees, dearies. Very beautiful. Only single piece I have in this. Yeah, Malarvili chokers nariya irukku ma. Nariya chokers irukku. So very beautiful pieces. This is for 900 rupees, ma'am. Hi Chitra ma'am, welcome. Good evening, ma'am. On the green color. So this is a big pendant. Next I am going to show a very lovely pendant. This is a bigger one. It's a beautiful zircon stones, ma'am. White zircon stones with Chennai shipping 100 rupees, ma'am. 100 rupees varum. So ரொம்ப அழகான பீஸ் இது. இதுக்கு எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க ஒயிட் ரோடியம் செயின்ஸ் கூட போட்டுக்கலாம், இல்ல நீங்க கிறிஸ்டல்ஸ் மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இல்ல பீட்ஸ் மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம், எது வேணா நீங்க மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம் இதோட. சோ இதுக்கு மேட்சா அழகான இயரிங்ஸும் இருக்கு. This is price for 1960 ma'am. 1960 1009 ma'am. ஜிம்கிஸ் எல்லாம் தனலட்சுமி மேம் ஆல்ரெடி ஆஃபர் ஜிம்கிஸ் எல்லாமே போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் பேஜ்ல. நீங்க பேஜ்ல பாருங்க மேடம். ஆல்ரெடி ஜிம்கிஸ் போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னமோ போஸ்ட் பண்ண ஸ்டெட்ஸ் போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஸ்டெட்ஸ் போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் ஆஃபர்ல. அதுக்கப்புறம் நெக்லஸ் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். 3 டேஸாவே ஆஃபர் சேல் போயிட்டு தான் மேடம் இருக்கு. அப்புறம் கிறிஸ்டல் மாலா செட்ஸ்ல கூட ஆஃபர்ஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அதுவுமே போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். So this is also very beautiful super piece with green and white. For Bangalore also 100 rupees shipping Uma ma'am. So this is lovely piece. This is for 1960 rupees ma'am MRP. After discount 1570. 1570 for this piece after discount. Takken screenshot எடுத்து WhatsApp போயிடுங்க bookings-க்கு. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. Only earrings also I have posted Shravani. Only single pieces ma. These all are single pieces. கொஞ்சம் காத்து வரும். So this is also very unique. கரண்ட் வந்தா கொஞ்சம் நோட்டிபிகேஷன் கொடுக்க சொல்லி கீழ இருந்து ஏசி ஆன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So இன்னைக்கு ஷட் டவுன் வர மேடம், எங்கேயுமே கரண்டே இல்ல. So this is very beautiful. 1570 after discount ma. 1570. 1570. Who wants, you can take a screenshot and book this now. Earrings also. With the earrings itself 1570. ஜோலிக்குதா? thank you சித்ரா மேம். எப்படி இருக்கு மேடம் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் பாருங்க. பேக் சைட் ஃபினிஷ் கோல்டு வரும். ஃப்ரண்ட் சைடுல உங்களுக்கு ஒயிட் பாலிஷும் கிரீனும் வரும். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. So all pieces are new varieties ma'am. எல்லாமே new collections தான் இருக்கு. So next pendant will show one more. That is all imported pendants ma'am. இப்ப next வரது எல்லாமே imported pendants தான் காட்ட போறேன். ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான pendants எல்லாமே. So யாருக்கு வேணுமோ இமிடியேட்டா புக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இது எல்லாமே singles இருக்கா? Singles தான். All are single pieces ma'am. Single pieces இருக்கறனால தான் ஆஃபர்ல போட்டிருக்கேன். இந்த opportunity-ய grab பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Don't miss this opportunity. Never ever you will not get this piece for this price. So next piece is also imported piece with the rose gold. Yeah, chokers we have, Vinita. Lots of chokers we have. You can WhatsApp to my number. I'll send the pics for you, Vinita. Always unique and fantabulous. Thank you, Chitra ma'am. So this is price for 1350 ma'am. 1350. 1350 with the earrings. This is the rose gold piece. You have a matching chain also. இதுக்கு match பண்ணி கொடுக்கலாம் உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா. So 1350. Discount போக 1080. 1080 after discount. So 1080 rupees ma'am. So it's a beautiful fantastic piece. So earrings also will be looking like this. இது எல்லாமே ஸ்மால் பெண்டன்ஸ் தான் காமிச்சிருக்கேன். நீங்க டக்குன்னு புக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நீங்க காலேஜ் வேர்ஸ் போட்டுக்கலாம், ஆபீஸ் வேர்ஸ், அண்ட் நீங்க சிம்பிளா ஒரு கோயிலுக்கு எங்கேயா போறீங்கன்னா கூட நீங்க போட்டுட்டு போலாம். இல்ல அவுட்டிங் எங்கேயா போறீங்க அதுக்கு கூட நீங்க போட்டுட்டு போலாம். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. 1350 ஆஃப்டர் டிஸ்கவுண்ட் 1080. டைமண்ட் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கா? தேங்க்யூ சோ மச் மேம். So ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு மேடம். 1080 only for this piece. 1080. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. This is a rose gold and the backside finish will be looking like this. Madhushri, you first pay for this pendant ma, then we will show the chains for you for the matching chains, okay? You finalize the pendant first. I will send the chains for that matching. Yeah, I will show bangles also, sweetie ma'am, today. Shantashila ma'am, good evening. Tejashwini, hi, good evening. Nivedita, hi, good evening. Welcome. லாங் பெண்டன்ட் செயின்ஸ் ஆஃபர் போடுங்க. எல்லாமே மாத்தி தாண்டா வரும். எல்லாமே ஆஃபர்ல வரும். இந்த 15 days ஃபுல்லாவே டிஸ்கவுண்ட் ஆஃபர் தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. எப்ப வேணா நீங்க எது வேணா வாங்கிக்கலாம். ஆனா அவைலபிலிட்டி மட்டும் செக் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க வாங்கிக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? So next is also very beautiful imported style pendant set. This is also very beautiful. Shape வந்து ரொம்ப டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கும் இது. My set prices 1970 2400 இது MRP. My set price will be 1920 Shruti. 1920 after discount. We have 3 colors in the Shruti. Ruby I have, green I have and blue also I have. 1920 only. So this is also very beautiful piece and this is with the earrings. So this is also very beautiful imported piece. This is for 930 rupees ma'am. 930 rupees MRP. After discount 840 rupees ma'am. 840. 840 for this piece. ஹாரம் செட்ஸ் சித்ரா மேம் இருக்கு மேடம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஹாரம் செட்ஸ் வருது, நிறைய வருது, வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. இன்னைக்கு கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே பெண்டன்ட் செட்ஸ், பேங்கிள்ஸ், ஹாரம் செட்ஸ் தான் போடுறேன் இன்னைக்கு ஆஃபர்ல. So this is the piece ma'am. 850 rupees for this piece. After discount 840. Very lovely piece ma'am with the casting model. You will be getting with the zircon stones and earrings. Do you have chokers and ruby bangles? Yeah, Banu ma'am, we have lots of collections ma'am. What all you want, you come to the WhatsApp number and you can get the collections. On பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கியா? இங்க ஏதோ blink ஆச்சுல, அதுக்கு தான் கேட்டேன். மெயின் ஆன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, ஏசியோட மெயின் ஆன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. வந்துருச்சா கரண்ட்? வந்துச்சு. இன்னும் கரண்ட் இன்னும் வந்ததெல்லாம் பார்க்கிறதுக்காக போட்டு வச்சா. So next வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது ஒரு அழகான imported piece. This is with the gold finish. I want a C pendant design. Nivedita, these all are pendants only Nivedita. They will post the pics also for you with the offer price. You can go through the page fully. So these all are very unique ones ma'am. இது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப யூனிக்கா இருக்கும். This is 2 colors we have in this pendant sets. Muthunagai ma'am, good evening. Monday chokers காட்டுறேன் மாதிரி. Chokers Monday வரும். நிறைய chokers காட்டுறேன். So this is with the earrings. Beautiful earrings. Earrings में ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இது செயினோட போட்டிங்கன்னா அவ்வளோ ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக்கா இருக்கும். This is for 910 rupees ma'am. After discount you will be getting for 820 rupees. 820. 820. 820 rupees. We have rose gold. இல்ல ரேவதி, நான் சுடிதார்ல சேல்ஸ் பண்றது இல்லமா, only jewelry. சுடிதார்ல நான் சேல்ஸ் பண்றது இல்ல. So this is also very lovely pattern ma'am. This is very beautiful. We have rose gold and gold polish. Thank you Shruti. These all very lovely pics ma'am. Only for 820. Grab it soon. ஒரு 4-5 பீஸ் வேணாலும் டக்கு டக்குன்னு வாங்கிக்கோங்க. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. For this price you can't never ever think about this. So see the backside finishing also. Only for 820 rupees for this piece with the earrings. Next is also one more very beautiful zircon stones. See the pattern and see the style of the pendant ma'am. These all are imported ones. This all are imported ones da. So this is price for 1450 MRP. After discount 1160. 1160. After discount 1160 rupees. After discount, this is also very beautiful rose gold with emerald stones. Emerald stones color combination. எப்படி இருக்கு மேடம் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு இன்னைக்கு ஒரு 6 to 7 வெரைட்டிஸ் காமிச்சிருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் பிடிச்சிருக்கா? Do you love this pendant sets ma'am? Beautiful pendant sets I am giving you in this live. So collections எப்படி இருக்குன்னு அப்படியே எனக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. So this is also very beautiful without so after discount you will be getting for 1160 twinkling twinkling. Thank you so much Madhu. So after discount 1160 ma'am, 1160. Wow collection. Thank you ma'am. Awesome wear level collections. Nice collections. Thank you Celine ma'am. So this is also very beautiful ma'am. Super duper piece with the very leaf designs ellame pathina bottle green la irukku. This is bottle green. Lovely piece. Awesome pendant sets. Thank you. Hi Indra ma'am. All nice pa. Thank you Indra ma'am. Thank you so much. Pa, super pa. Price please. Green will be priced for 1160 Sunita. ఈ రోజు అన్ని కలెక్షన్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రేమ మ్యామ్. యువర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ యూనిక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ రేవతి మ్యామ్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఇట్స్ అ బ్లాక్ మెటల్ పాలిష్ విత్ లవ్లీ పీస్. ఇట్స్ అ బ్రాస్ మెటల్. Yeah, I'll show the bangles also. Please wait ma, one by one I'll show all the collections. So this is after discount you will be getting this for 970 rupees only ma'am. 970 ரூபா தான் வருது. யாருக்கு வேணுமோ இமிடியேட்டா புக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. All single pieces we have. 970 rupees for this piece. It's a very beautiful piece ma. Lovely piece. I'll show this with the neck also. So size உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் நல்லாவே. So this is the size of the pendant and this is the earring size. It's a beautiful piece. How can put liner and bindi? Very nice your makeup. Thank you Ramya ma'am. So ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும் இந்த piece. So this is with the full black color. You will be getting a deadly combination. Hi Kala ma'am, welcome. Good evening. அந்த கெம்புடா. So next வந்து பழகான கெம்பு pendants காட்டுறேன். All are கெம்பு varieties ma'am. Very beautiful piece. I'll show in the back camera. Back camera காட்டுறேன். Good. See this ma'am. It's all beautiful kempu pendants. Next எல்லாமே kempu pendants தான் வரப்போகுது. ஒரு 15 designs பக்கம் kempu pendants தான் வரப்போகுது. Again I'll show you stones. So this is with the jimki ma'am. After discount it is priced for 1060 ma'am. 1060 after discount. 1060 ரூபா மட்டும் தான் வருது. So this is the back view of the pendant. You can put 6 to 7 lines of crystals also, or you can wear with the pearls. 2 layer pearls போடலாம் இதுக்கு. எது வேணா நீங்க மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 1060 ரூபா தான் வருது. பாக்ஸ் அடிக்கியாச்சா? எல்லாம் அமிச்சு வந்து விட்டாங்களா? நான் சஜனை தூக்கிட்டோம். ஏன் அவங்க வேத்துச்சு முடியா? ரோசி அமிச்சுட்டாங்க. ரோசி நான் அமிச்சுட்டேன். அவங்க போட்டுனா நான் சஜனை தூக்கிட்டேன். So this is also very beautiful. 1060 ma'am. 1060. Wow, very nice. Thank you Lakshmi Prakash ma'am. உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா புக் பண்ணிக்கலாம் மேடம் வாட்ஸ்அப்ல. நான் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடுறேன். So அடுத்தது வந்து ஒரு அழகான pendant sets தான் காட்ட போறேன். We have 2 color combinations in this. That is very lovely ma'am. Thank you Shruti. So it's very beautiful. இது வந்து பதக்கம் மாதிரியே வரும் மேடம். ரொம்ப அழகான பதக்கம் மாதிரியே வரும். So very lovely. So this is with exact gold polish. We have 2 color combinations in this. See the size of the pendant also. This is the size of the pendant and earrings will be getting like this. Superbana earrings and the pendant me romba alaga irukku. No COD Anita, no COD. So this is with the earrings. So this is MRP will be 1410 ma'am. 1410 actual price. இன்னைக்கு ஆஃபர் போக 1270. 1270. 1270 rupees ma'am. Each piece will be, I have 2 color combinations. I'll show in the back camera also. So this is red with green and I have full red also in this. So 2 colors I have in this. Both the colors will be unique pattern now. Earrings mein romba alaga irukku. So see the earrings also. Hi Maya ma'am, good evening. Thanks for joining. So super duper pieces after discount for 1270 only ma'am. 1270 1270. பாருங்க எவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கு அப்படியே கோல்ட் மாதிரியே இருக்கு. See the back side view also. This is the back side view you will be getting for the pendant. Hi Pallavi Desai ma'am, welcome. Hi Swati, Premalata ma'am, hi ma'am, welcome. Hi, wow, lots of newcomers also today. So follow my page. Nariya newcomers irking inniki. Follow my page, like my page and share my page also. இந்த லைவ் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க மேடம். எவ்வளவு ஷேர் பண்ண முடியுமா இந்த லைவ் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. So next is also very beautiful kempu pendant with a lovely peacock at the inside. இங்க வந்து gold color அழகான peacock இருக்கும். You will be getting full of red kempu. You will be getting one line of single layer of green kempu stones with full of golden balls at the sides. Okay, thank you Chitra ma'am. Golden balls ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. ஒரு single golden ball hanging ஓட. So for that also we have a very beautiful earrings with the same pattern. We will be getting Chandbali pattern earrings. So size of the pendant will be this much and earrings will be like this. This is also very cute. So this is priced for 960 rupees ma'am. 960. இன்னைக்கு offer போக 860. 860. Offer போக 860 rupees for this piece. So this is the earrings. Only for 860 ma'am. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. 860 ரூபாய் தான் வருது. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. I have two color combinations in this. One is with green with red and other I have with red also. முத்துநகை மேம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காமிச்சதுல ஒயிட் ஸ்டோன் பெண்டன்ஸ் தான் நான் காமிச்சிருக்கேன். அடுத்தது வருது ஒயிட் ஸ்டோன்ஸ் தான் வருது அடுத்தது. வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. So this is with the earrings you will be getting with this. So two color combinations will be awesome. Only for 860 rupees. 860. 860 after discount. Hi Tilakvati ma'am, welcome. So next வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா செயின் ஓடவே பெண்டன்ட் ஓட இது ஃபுல்லாவே ரெண்டு கம்பைன் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கு. This is a combo with chain and you will be having a very beautiful pendant and have earrings also for this. Only green color is available in this. இதோட price 1510 MRP. 1510 MRP. After discount you will be getting for 1210. 1210. 1210 for this piece now. This is also very beautiful. இது எதுமே ஐடல்ஸே இருக்காது மேடம். This is a 24 inches chain. It's a long chain and you will be getting a lovely pendant and we have earrings also. Superb earrings. You can see in the long view also. Till this you will be getting the 24 inches pendant and chain and the earrings also. Very lovely piece. Only for 1210. 1210 ma'am after discount. Only single piece ma'am. ஒரு piece தான் இருக்கு. See the quality ma'am. Quality will be awesome with the kempu. Thank you Shruti. எல்லாமே சூப்பரா இருக்குடா. இது கூட இல்ல எல்லாமே சூப்பர் இன்னைக்கு. ஒவ்வொண்ணுமே அவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கு பாக்குறதுக்கு. எதுவுமே மிஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க. எல்லாமே சிங்கிள் தான் இருக்கு. யாருக்கு வேணுமோ டக்கு ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Beautiful pieces with the green color. This is 24 inches pendant chain and this is priced only for 1210 after discount. Illa Swati, only for today 4 o'clock ma'am. All the days will be as usual 12 o'clock. So for only for today I am coming in 4 o'clock, coming in the live 4 o'clock. From Monday as usual 12 o'clock. So today shut down ma'am. No current here, no power cut இன்னைக்கு. அதனால இன்னைக்கு வர முடியல காலையில லைவ்ல. Jagadamba ma'am, good evening. Bharati, welcome. After a long time joining my live Bharati. So this is a beautiful Mangal Sutra with the Lakshmi pendant. It's a lovely piece ma'am. So romba ayagana Lakshmi with the lotus and you will be getting a lovely piece of earrings also in this. See the earrings. So this is MRP will be 2060 ma'am. MRP வந்து 2660 ரூபாய் இதோட actual price. இன்னைக்கு offer போக 1640 ma'am. Only for 1640 rupees I am giving this piece. You are looking very beautiful. Thank you, Bharati. So this is priced only for 1640, 1640. டக்கு 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 ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து புக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த பீஸ். டோன்ட் மிஸ் திஸ். இட்ஸ் a very beautiful Mangal Sutra. You will be getting 28 inches to 30 inches. Hi Geeta ma'am, good evening. Sangeeta, good evening. So this is priced only for 1640 ma'am after discount. 1640. ஏன்னா லாஸ்ட் வீக் எல்லாம் இது 2060 ரூபாய்க்கு சேல்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். So see the collection and see the finishing of this. Exact gold finish pendant, ma'am. Hindi, please. Rekha, ma'am. I don't know Hindi, ma'am. So sorry. So this is priced for 1640, 1640 after discount. Next is a very beautiful Chambali pendant with a half moon type with lovely kempu in this with the golden balls you will be getting. இதுக்கு பீட்ஸுக்கு சேர்த்தே சொல்லுவேன். பெண்டன்ட்டோட ப்ரைஸ் மட்டும் தான் சொல்லுவேன். பீட்ஸோட ப்ரைஸ் டிஸ்கவுண்ட் போட்டுட்டு பீட்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோ. இன்னைக்கு ஈவினிங் லைவ் வை இன்னைக்கு ஷட் டவுன்டா, பவர் கட். இன்னைக்கு காலையில இருந்து பவரே இல்ல. நானும் இவ்வளவு நேரமா வெயிட் பண்ணோம், பவரே வர மாதிரி தெரியல. சரி, யூபிஎஸ் லைன்ல வச்சு நாங்க லைவ் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம். பார்சல் ரிசீவ், சூப்பர் டூப்பர் மாலா. தேங்க்யூ. வெல்கம் ஸ்ரீஷா. தேங்க்யூ சோ மச் ஃபார் யர் பியூட்டிஃபுல் ரிவ்யூஸ் ஸ்ரீஷா. சோ இது ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு பாருங்க. We have in this lovely colors, ma'am. I have full green in this, Navaratna in this, full Kempu also in this. Prema Abre Avu Kannada మాట్లాడలప్పా. ఓకే, బ్యాంగిల్స్ చూపిస్తారా లైవ్ లో ఇప్పుడు? చూపిస్తాను స్వాతి, వెయిట్ చేయమా, చూపిస్తాను. పుష్పలత మ్యామ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో విత్ బీడ్స్ 1700 ஆஃப்டர் டிஸ்கவுண்ட் மேம். பீட்ஸோடவே பிரைஸ் வந்து 1700 ரூபாய் வருது. 1700. ஐ வேர் அண்ட் ஷோ திஸ் பீஸ் only for 1700 மேம். ஃபுல் செட் பீட்ஸோடவே 1700 வருது. இயரிங்ஸுமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. So this is the piece you get. It's a very beautiful piece. If you want, you can adjust the height also. Happy evening and see your video for first time. Happy seeing you. Welcome Sangeeta. Page follow பண்ணிக்கோங்க Sangeeta. Okay va. So this is the earrings you get for this. It's a beautiful earrings with the gold pattern. 1700 ma'am with the beads. Back chain all together 1700. I'll show in the back camera also. You can go through this. Hindi nahi malum Deepika. Hindi thoda aayega Deepika. So sorry, I can't speak fluently Hindi. Lekha ma'am, మా ఆఫీస్ లో ఉమా మేడం అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. అలాగే మీరు కూడా నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం మ్యామ్. అయ్యో, థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రేమ మ్యామ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ దిస్ వర్డ్స్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. బీడ్స్, పెండెంట్, ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ எல்லாமே ஜாயின் பண்ணி ஆல் டுகெதர் த பிரைஸ் வில் பி 1700 rupees ma'am after discount. 1700 after discount. on போயிடுச்சு. காது கேட்டுச்சா? Receive the parcel, very beautiful. Thank you Vijaya ma'am. Thank you so much for your reviews. So அடுத்த pendant வந்து அழகான லக்ஷ்மி pendant ma'am. Very beautiful piece. See this piece ma'am. பா, அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு. இதுக்கு 2 layer ball chain போட்டிங்களா, it will be awesome if you wear this with a 2 layer ball chain. This is exact gold finish with the Lakshmi at the center. You will be getting a very beautiful Kempu stones at the bottom sides. Small Kempu will be finished and you will be getting golden balls at the bottom. So with the earrings, it's a lovely earrings also with this. 2 line ball chain muttu yariyanu eduthu sollu. So this is very beautiful ma'am. So this is price for 1030. After discount it is for 930 rupees only for today. 930. 930. After discount 930 rupees for this piece. Kala Reddy ma'am, WhatsApp number is given in the screen ma'am. WhatsApp number will be 73977399200. You can order to this number ma'am. You can come to the WhatsApp and you can order this. Yeah Vijaya ma'am, I have in royal blue ma'am. Royal blue already I have shown it ma'am. Irukku royal blue irukku. So this is royal blue da madam idu. Ma'am theriyudha Vijaya ma'am, royal blue da idu. It's a very beautiful royal blue. Thank you Deepika, it will be very beautiful Deepika. So see this piece, how beautiful it looks. With the lovely elephants at the both sides. You will be getting both side elephants and the earrings also very cute in this. So after discount you will be getting for 930 rupees only for this. 930. 930 after discount. 2-layer ball chain price will be 390 Celine ma'am. Wear this piece. Yeah, I'll wear it ma'am. Wear it. So see this piece. And this is the earrings. Add chain, what is the price? One sec ma'am. With the chain, the price will be 1320 dearies. With the chain, full set will be 1320. 1320. Beautiful. Thank you Geeta ma'am. See, it's a very lovely piece. Don't miss it ma'am. Lovely collection. Please show backside of the pendant. Yeah, I will show it there. One sec Deepika. So you can see the backside of the pendant. So this is the backside and this is the earrings. So you can wear 10 lines of beads also in this ma'am. You can wear 10 lines of beads or you can add 2 lines of ball chain in this. Whatever you like, you can do this. It's very beautiful. For all sarees, it will be lovely in this ma'am. Superb sarees mela pota. So this is priced only for 1320 with the ball chain ma'am. Ball chain illama idu 930 varudhu. 930 rupees for the pendant and the earrings. Ball chain da ketom. Okay, atte kuduthanupunga. Irunga. Idella kaatiyachuda. Idella start pannu. So now I'll go for the bangles collection. This piece super thank you Shyamala ma'am. So ella piece mein super irukku madam, neenga adu mattum sollida. Please show ball chain. Yeah, they are bringing the ball chain Shailaja ma'am. Please wait for 2 minutes, okay? So please come in WhatsApp ma'am. I'll show the ball chain also, okay? So inniki bangles collection paathirlama. Lovely bangles collection and haram collection we are coming with in the offer. Discount offer inniki bangles collection li kudukka poren. So I'll show the bangles now. So I have lots of colors. See, these are the bangles in offers. This is ruby. I have white in this. Chandrakala ma'am, good evening. I'm fine ma'am. So I have white in this. I have ruby with green in this. Ruby with green. I have black also in this. It's a beautiful black color. And I have green also in this. See how many colors I have. See the color combinations ma'am. How beautiful it looks. Garnet mala. Garnet mala we didn't take it for live today ma'am. Next time I'll show in garnet mala. Okay. Wow. Ma'am, after discount you will be getting for 660 pair. 660 ரூபாய் மட்டும் தான் வருது. ஒரு single color வந்து எடுத்தீங்கன்னா only for 660 rupees. Pair will be 660. So which color you need, you can come in WhatsApp and you can book this bangles ma'am. We have ruby, white color, ruby green, black, full green. All colors will be awesome. I'll show in the back camera. So MRP will be 820. Yeah, colorful ma'am. 820 MRP. After discount for now sale price will be 660 ma'am. 660 rupees only. Grab yours soon ma'am. If you want 3 to 4 colors also, you can come with 3 to 4 colors also. This is also very beautiful. Awesome collections. Thank you Muthunagai ma'am. 660 ரூபாய் தான் madam வருது. Pair will be 660 only. Only 660 rupees pair. I have given the price also ma'am. You can go through. So price will be 820 rupees ma'am, 820 MRP. After discount 660 only. Takkana screenshot at the book panikonga. You want all the colors also, you can take all the colors, you can mix match the colors also for your sarees. Nice collections. Thank you Reena ma'am, thank you so much. See how beautiful the color combinations and the finishing will be awesome ma'am. Superb on a finishing. Is there a WhatsApp group ma'am? No Reena ma'am, I don't have any WhatsApp group. Only Facebook, I need Ruby. Rama ma'am, WhatsApp cheyandi madam, size venta WhatsApp cheseyandi, okay na? I am waiting for white stone pendant. Yes, coming ma'am. Coming, one sec. Ma'am, ரெண்டு கை தான் மேடம் இருக்கு, ஒவ்வொன்றா தான் மேடம் காட்ட முடியும். நிறைய ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, நான் ஒவ்வொன்றா எல்லாமே காட்டி முடிக்கிறேன். ஒரே இதா பெண்டன்ஸே காமிச்சா அதுவும் போர் ஆயிடும் உங்களுக்கு. அதனால பேங்கிள்ஸ் கொஞ்சம், ஹாரம் கொஞ்சம், அப்புறம் பெண்டன்ஸ் போறேன் திருப்பி. So this is a ball chain dearies. So 2-layer ball chain. I love all jewelry. Thank you Shyamla ma'am. Love you too. இந்த பெண்டன்ட் ஏதாச்சும் இருக்கா போட்டுக்கோங்க. First time watching your live. All products are so beautiful. I just love South Indian jewelry. I'm from Maharashtra. Welcome Deepika. Welcome. Beautiful. Follow my page Deepika. I'll give the page link also in the bottom part. Okay. You can click on the link and you can follow my page Deepika. I have given the link also. So in the name of GG Creations, link has displayed on the screen. So very beautiful ball chain dearies. Don't miss it. Lovely piece with a lovely collection. But ball chain will be, the height of the ball chain will be this much. 390 rupees for the ball chain ma'am. Only for 390 this ball chain. So in the piece எடுத்து நீங்க எந்த pendant வேணா match பண்ணிக்கலாம். Show on back camera. Yeah, I will show it. One sec. இது கொஞ்சம். Correct. So this is the full back chain view and this is a 2-layer ball chain. This is for 390 rupees ma'am. 390. Only for 390 for this ball chain and single layer 320. Single layer will be 320, 2 layers will be 390 rupees for the ball chain. So whichever piece you need, you can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Hi Hema ma'am, good evening. Thanks for joining. So other set of bangle collections will go now. இதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டெட் மேட்ச் பண்ண முடியுமா? இல்லம்மா, ஒரு பால் செயின்க்குள்ள எங்களால பார்சல் அனுப்ப முடியாது. மினிமம் பர்ச்சேஸ் நீங்க 1000 rupees பண்ணாதான் நாங்க அனுப்ப முடியும். ஓகேவா? First time watching, Rupini ma'am, follow my page. Welcome to the GG Creations family. Hi Veena ma'am, welcome. First time see your live from Mumbai. Swati, welcome Swati. So lots of viewers from Mumbai. Welcome. Ma'am, నాకు 2-layer ball chain with pendant Christmas ki kavali. ఉంది ప్రేమ కుమారి మ్యామ్, నెట్కి ఏది కావాలంటే ఎత్తుకోండి, మీకు క్రిస్మస్ లో నేను పంపించేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? 25th లోనే క్రిస్మస్, ఇంకా చాలా రోజు ఉంది, పంపించేయచ్చు. Sizes we have 24, 26, 28 and 210 ma'am. All sizes we have in the bangles. Which size you need, you can come through the WhatsApp number with the screenshot. Or நீங்க photos post பண்ணிருப்பாங்க, அந்த photos எடுத்துட்டு கூட நீங்க WhatsAppக்கு நீங்க எனக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க. They will send the payment details and the amount of the bangles. You can transfer through Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm and also account transfer, direct account transfer. Okay? So is it clear for the payment details? Payment details clear இருக்குங்களா? We have all payments ma'am, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm and also direct account transfer. First time watching from Pune. Wow, Ashwini ma'am, lots of customers from Pune, Maharashtra. Welcome. Tumkur, welcome. Thanks for joining dearies. So, in the collection paranga, idu vandu or set of 4 bangles ma'am. This is set of 4 bangles. MRP will be 870 ma'am. 870 ரூபாய் தான் வருது 4 bangles. After discount only for 700 rupees this piece. Discount போக வெறும் 700 ரூபாய் தான் வருது. Only 700 for 4 pieces of bangle. 4 pieces of bangle. Chokers available Sanjay ma'am. Lots of chokers. Shipping for Maharashtra 150 Deepika. 150 for north states and all. So 3 colors I have in this. I have blue color, green color, black color. All colors I have in this. See the color combinations. This is blue ma, ink blue. This is bottle green and I have black in this. 3 colors are very unique in this. Only for 700 rupees ma'am. Set of 4 bangles, only 700. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. First time. Renuka ma'am, welcome. So this is the bangle color combinations you will be getting. This is blue color ma, dark blue. This is bottle green. First time watching. Lakshmi ma'am, welcome. And this is also black. Blue color, bottle green and black color ma'am. 3 color combinations I have in this. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Each color will be 700 rupees set of 4 bangles. Only 700. First time I see. Padmini ma'am, welcome. Thanks for joining. Share my page ma'am. So you can follow my page also. If you are a first time viewer, 210 available Radha ma'am. You can WhatsApp pannunga. Ella size mein irukku. 24, 26, 28 and 210 I have in this. Okay. Wow. So this is also very beautiful ma'am. Romba alaga irukku. So we have 4 color combinations in this. I have full white, full blue, ruby and bottle green. Thank you from Chennai. Welcome. Sarita ma'am, nice collections. Thank you ma'am. So I have all colors in this. See the color combinations. Full white I have, full blue, full ruby and I have bottle green. Hi Lata ma'am, welcome. Long Lakshmi Haram I'll show you now. One sec, wait ma, I'll show the harams also. Netra ma'am, welcome. Good evening. So this is also very beautiful piece. This is after discount you will be getting for 520 rupees pair. Only for 520. If you want 3 colors also you can take 3 colors. So you can mix match it now. Super bangles. Thank you Shyamla ma'am. This is only for 520 pair. 520. So I'll show the bangles by wearing it. So this is very beautiful. This is bottle green. I have white in this. All sizes available ma'am. 24, 26, 28 and 210 available. So whichever you need you can take a screenshot. Hi Chandana, welcome. This is ruby. So all colors we have. Green color, white color, blue color and ruby color. And 520 ma'am. 520. Ma'am, naaku white stone pendant with ball chain ippudu chupistara. Anime chupistan madam, wait cheyandi. So this is only for 520 rupees pair ma'am. 520. Pair will be, each color will be 520. On the bangles. Nice bangles, thank you. So who all want haram collections now? So haram collections nariya per kette irundinga. I am coming with haram collections now. So red color saree So I will show in the back camera. Each and every haram will be lovely ma'am. Romba alaga irukku haram collections. Super duper offer also for the. Hi Shubha, welcome Shubha. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க Shubha? ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? So Shubha Venkatesh வந்துட்டாங்க. Shubha நரேந்திரா வந்தாச்சு. இன்னும் யாராச்சும் Shubha இருக்கீங்களா லைவ்ல? So haram collections இன்னைக்கு நிறைய offers இருக்கு. Exclusive offers and grab your soon. Lots of beautiful haram collections are coming live today. So உங்களுக்கு இன்னைக்கு peacock haram காமிக்கிறேன். அப்புறம் kempu haram and I have stone haram also. So lots of beautiful. Lavanya Ravitej, welcome. You are also new viewer Lavanya. Ma'am, without sharing 232 viewer are watching live. So because of awesome collections. Thank you Deepika, thank you. If you share most of your friends also can join Deepika. If you share the live, lots of members can join once more. So they also can enjoy the shopping. Vachala ma'am, welcome. Good evening Vachala ma'am. Rosie haram mattu back side camera vechi kaatungate. So this is a very beautiful haram, the first piece. So I am coming with the 2 color combinations. You will be getting with the temple collection. With 2 side you will be getting Annapakshi ma'am. 2 side Annapakshi. This is a very So we have two color combinations in this. One is with green with red. The other color will be full red, ma'am, full kempu. So very beautiful piece. This is with the beautiful peacocks at the sides, and you will be getting double side peacocks, and you will be getting without Lakshmi. Okay, it's very beautiful. This is also with the earrings we will be getting. Hi Hasina, I want studs. Hasina, we have posted lots of stud collection yesterday, ma. Please go through the page, dearies. Nariya studs post pannirkom nethu. So this is with the earrings with the golden balls, and this is the long haram. This is all with 24 inches, ma. 24 inches you will be getting with this. So I'll wear it on the sari and I'll show you in the back camera. This is very beautiful. So two color combinations are lovely in this. I'll show in the back camera and I'll show the red also in this. My back camera will put it. I'm watching second live from Bengaluru. Nice to join the live program. Thank you. Blackstone or black beads bangles is available. Illama. Black stone bangles we have, Teja. Blackstone we have in bangles. So see this piece. This is the exact finish of the haram, ma. This is two side peacocks you will be getting with the golden balls at the bottom part. So full of carving balls you will be getting. And this is full of peacocks at the sides. And with the earrings. MRP, ma. MRP price, exact price will be 3,450, ma'am. 3,450. After discount, today's price will be 2,760. See the price, ma'am. 3,450. After discount, you will be getting for 2,760 rupees only. 2,760 after discount. Wow. Thank you, Swarna. So, how much discount I have given? Most less panirke. So, totally I have 690 rupees less, ma'am. You're customized with Lakshmi pendant. Yeah, ma, we can do it, ma. You please come to the WhatsApp number. I'll send the pics for you with the Lakshmi haram. I will show you. Okay, Deepika. WhatsApp to my number. I'll send the pics for you. So this is 3,450. After discount, it is bumper offer. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, this is an antique, gold antique, ma'am. This is not full antique, gold antique. Lekha, do you have Kempu pendants set? Shubha, we have shown lots of Kempu pendants, ma. You can go through the page. They will post it now. Sema offer. Amama, romba superb offer. Ellame new pieces da idellame. Romba alaga irukku. So this is the exact look. So they have worn the red color also. You can see the red color also here. Very beautiful. It's full Kempu, red Kempu. The same design in red Kempu, ma'am. This is 24 inches haram you will be getting with this. It's a beautiful 24 inches haram. Amala, hi, come, welcome. So earrings and haram will be priced for 2,760, ma'am. This is red color. And the same piece I have in the green with red also. Two color. So I'll show the two colors, ma'am. Which color you need, you can mark and send. You can do the payment immediately, ma'am. Lovely offers and lovely collections today. Only green with red, only one piece available. Full red, 3 pieces available. Thank you, Mahalakshmi. Thank you so much. So this is red color earrings and this is green with red earrings, ma. So see the red color piece also. This is full red. It's a very beautiful piece. Only for 2,760. 2,760 mattumda varudhu discount poga. Okay, Satya ma'am. Romba nandri. Hi Veena, welcome Veena. Thanks for joining. I am from North Karnataka. All products are superb. Thank you so much Poonam. Thank you so much. So next one more haram. That is a very beautiful haram you are getting with. It's a lovely finish, ma'am. Romba alaga irukku finish. Superb finish with the golden balls. It's a U shape, ma'am. It's a U-shaped haram without any pendant, ma'am. There is no idols in this. No peacocks, no elephants, no Lakshmi, nothing in this. It's a plain haram. So all the communities can wear this haram. Very beautiful. So Navarsilar pathina Lakshmi venda, Lakshmi illama kepanga. So for them it is a very beautiful piece. This is for 4030 ma'am. Actual price will be 4030. After discount 3220. 3220 discount poga. So how much discount I have given ma'am? Nearly I have given 800 rupees discount for this haram. So யாருக்கு வேணுமோ immediate இதெல்லாம் actual priceக்கு தான் மேடம் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். There is no profit இருக்கோ இல்லையா அது நாங்க பார்க்கல. So உங்களுக்காக நாங்க இப்ப discount offers போட்டிருக்கோம் நியூ இயர்க்காக. நியூ இயர் அண்ட் கிறிஸ்மஸ் ரெண்டுக்குமே நாங்க ஆஃபர்ஸ் போட்டிருக்கோம். So grab your soon. Lovely collections, lovely combinations. Two colors we have in this. One is green with red and one is full red. I have two color combinations. Both the colors I'll show in the back camera. With the earrings it is priced for 3220 ma'am. 3220. So this is full red color. This is green with red. Superb color ma'am. Only for 3220 ma'am. So you can see the actual price also. This is 4030. 4030 actual price. You can see the price in this. It's clear. 4030 actual price. After discount you will be getting for 3220 ma'am. 3220. Awesome collections are. Thank you so much. So this is the earrings part for this haram. 3220 after discount ma'am. 3220. எடுத்துடலாம். அப்படியே வச்சு காமிச்சு. இது சாரி மேலேயும் வச்சு காட்ட சொல்றேன். வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த ஹாரம். You can go through the finishing of the haram also in the back camera. தனபாகியம் ma'am, welcome. Good evening. பாருங்க எவ்வளவு சூப்பர். இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பக்கத்துல வாங்க. See the haram ma'am. Very beautiful haram. Lovely finish with the U-type. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. Hi Soumya ma'am, good evening. 3220 தான் மேடம் வருது. Exact gold finish haram. Don't miss this piece. Lovely piece. Only 4 pieces are available in this. 4 piece தான் இருக்கு. யாருக்கு வேணுமோ immediate WhatsApp பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 2 color combinations available. Green with red and full red also available. So one more beautiful haram I'm coming with. That is with full ruby ma'am. Fullaவே ruby stones. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. Only ruby stones in this haram. Full and full of stones. AD stones. எல்லா ruby AD stones தான் இருக்கு. You can see the rubies also. Small stones and big stones. Both together it's a combined color. With a green color stone at the center. And we'll be having a very beautiful earrings also for this. Hi Kavya. Welcome. Shweta. Hi. Good evening. So this is the earrings for us. I have ordered for 2 set of black color bangles. Oh, okay, Nandini ma'am. This is after discount. It is priced for 3480 rupees after discount. Idhoda exact price vandu 6000 varudha. 5000 varudhu madam exact price. Uppa inniki discount poga 3480. 3480 only after discount. So இது அப்படியே என்னோட எனக்கு என்ன ரேட் வந்துச்சோ அப்படியே கொடுத்தாச்சு மேடம். எக்ஸாக்ட் ரேட் I have given for you. It's a very beautiful piece. So this is only for 3480. 3480 after discount you will be getting this. So only one piece available ma'am. ஒரு piece இருக்கறனால தான் அப்படியே கொடுத்திருக்கேன் நான். யாருக்கு வேணுமோ immediate WhatsApp பண்ணிக்கோங்க. It's a beautiful rubies. All are small ruby stones you will be getting. Pearl hangings, you will be getting 3 pearl hangings and 1 green stone at the middle. Superba இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு அந்த pearls வேண்டாம்னா கூட கட் பண்ணி எடுத்துறலாம் மேடம். We can take this pearls also if you don't want that. 3480 only ma'am. Only one color முத்துனகை ma'am. ஒரே ஒரு கலர் தான் இருக்கு. ரூபி மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. வேற கலர்ஸ் இல்ல இதுல. அது ஒரே ஒரு பீஸ் தான் இருக்கு. இந்த பீஸ் யாருக்குமே கிடைக்காது. இந்த ரேட்டுக்கு கண்டிப்பா வாங்கிக்கலாம். அது எடுத்துருங்க. இந்த ஹாரம் காமிச்சு. இது காமிச்சா. அந்த பேங்கிள்ஸ் காமிச்சாச்சு. இது காமிக்கல. அது இன்னும் காமிக்கலாம். அந்த பெண்டன்ட் மட்டும் காமிக்கிறோம். பேங்கிள்ஸ் முடிச்சாச்சு. Yes, only single piece Rama ma'am. So whoever wants you can immediately WhatsApp to the number ma'am. Only one piece I have. Wow, superb haram madam. Lovely piece. See this piece. How beautiful it looks. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த piece. So lovely beautiful piece. This is orange. Orange shirt. See this piece, ma'am. How beautiful it looks. Romba alaga irukku. This is all a 24 inches haram with a beautiful jimki, ma'am. పోండి మ్యామ్, అన్ని కలెక్షన్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. ఏది సెలెక్షన్ చేసుకోవాలని తెలియలేదు మ్యామ్. లేక మ్యామ్ సూపర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ప్రేమ మ్యామ్. ఈ ఆఫర్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకోండి మేడం. తిప్పి ఆఫర్ చిక్కదు అంటే 30th వరకు ఈ ఆఫర్స్ వేసిండాను. దానికి వెనక అడిగినారంటే ఆఫర్స్ చిక్కదు మేడం. సో సారీ, వెనక వచ్చి ఆఫర్స్ అడిగేదండి. January 1st లోనే వస్తారంటే యాక్చువల్ ప్రైస్ అట్లే వేయాలి మీరు. సో దీంట్లోనే 2 కలర్స్ ఉంది మేడం. 2 కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. This is full ruby, superb ruby, and you have a very beautiful 2,960 ma'am. Exact price will be 3,700. 3,700 ரூபாய் இதோட பிரைஸ். இன்னைக்கு டிஸ்கவுண்ட் போக 2,960 ரூபாய்க்கு தான் கொடுக்குறேன். 2,960 ma'am. After discount you will be getting this haram. Wow, superb ma'am. ஜிமிக்கி கூட ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இங்க மல்டி இருக்கு, ஜிமிக்கில கிரீன் இருக்கு. ஆமா, அது பார்த்து வச்சுக்கோங்க. அது கிரீனு, அது ரெட்டா, நான் காமிச்சிட்டு ரெட்டு பின்னாடி அது வைங்கப்பா. சூப்பர் ஹாரமா, தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். இந்த ஹாரம் யாருக்கு வேணுமோ இமீடியட்டா வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணி வாங்கிக்கோங்க. ரொம்ப கிராண்டா இருக்கும், அழகான பீஸ். 2,960 ரூபா தான் வருது. ஸோ டக்குன்னு பே பண்ணிடலாம் மேடம். இப்பவே இன்னைக்கு புக்கிங்ஸ் போயிட்டே இருக்கு. ஆல்ரெடி 2 ஹாரம் புக் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ இமீடியட்லி கேன் வாட்ஸ்அப் டு திஸ் நம்பர். வெரி பியூட்டிஃபுல் பீஸ். Yeah, thank you Shreyu. 2,960 after discount. Jimki is also very beautiful. It's a small size jimki you will be getting. Earrings very nice. Thank you Muthuragai ma'am. Edthirada. So haram collections இன்னைக்கு முடிச்சாச்சு. Next I'll go for bangles collection. அடுத்தது bangles collection போயிடலாம். It's confusing which one to select. All beautiful sets. உங்களுக்காக தான் மேடம் தேடி அழகழகா கொண்டு வரோம். So now we are going for a very lovely bangles one more time. So நிறைய bangles இப்போ ஆஃபர்ஸ்ல வந்திருக்கு. இப்போ திருப்பி always this is my dialogue. How come everything suits you ma'am? தெரியலையே மேடம். So this is a very beautiful stone bangles ma'am. White stone bangles pair ma'am. This is for 640 rupees ma'am. After discount it is for 640. 640. I'll show in the back camera. You can take a screenshot. It's very beautiful ma'am. Only for 640 rupees pair. 640. 640. Very beautiful white stone bangles with a golden finish. Full of white stone you will be getting. ஸோ இதுக்கு நீங்க வந்து பார்டர் கூட போட்டு போடலாம் மேடம். ஒரு ஆன்டிக் பேங்கிள் சென்டர்ல வச்சு இது கூட நீங்க சைட்ல போடலாம். அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி கூட நீங்க வேர் பண்ணலாம். சூப்பர் பேங்கிள். If you wear like this it will be awesome ma'am. For all the sarees it will be matching for it. So this is with the very beautiful Kempu bangle and this is white stone. 640 rupees for the white stone and this antique bangle I'll show you with the discount. So this is actual price will be 1070 ma'am. I bought for 840. Okay ma'am. Now penna pantu 840 வாங்கிருக்கீங்க. இப்போ 640 மேடம் ஆஃபர் போக இன்னைக்கு பாருங்க. அவங்களே வாங்கிருக்காங்களா மேடம். ஆல்ரெடி she have bought this for 840. Now it is only for 640 rupees. So this is price for 1070 ma'am. 1070. 1070 for this piece single bangle. After discount 1070. 860 rupees ma'am. After discount 860. 860. 860 rupees after discount. இந்த பேக் கேமரால அப்படியே காமிச்சிரலாமா? 860 rupees only ma'am. Single bangle. Whoever wants you can take a screenshot. 24, 26, 28 and 210. All sizes available in this. மேம் நான் டக்குன்னு காமிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். நீங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. This is also very beautiful kada bangle. It's a screw type. This is for 820 rupees ma'am. Single bangle 820. After discount 740 rupees ma'am. 740. 740. You will be getting ruby and green stones all over. Superb finish. Next comes with the dancing bangles. This is also very beautiful. This is set of 2 bangles, ma'am. Pair will be 1400. 1400. Discount போக எவ்வளவு ma'am? இல்ல இது ரெண்டு bangles தான். Deepika antique bangles will be priced for 860. Deepika 860 rupees. 1120 for this ma'am. 1120. ரெண்டு bangles சேர்ந்து 1120 for this piece. This is a dancing bangles ma'am. ஃபுல்லாவே உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா full of dance symbols மாதிரி வரும். It's all dancing bangles. This is also screw type. You will be getting very beautiful piece. I'll wear and show this in the hand also. You can go through the piece. See this piece. Very beautiful finish. 1120 ma'am. Pair will be 1120 for this piece. So next I have some more pendant sets ma'am. I'll go through fully and tak kaamchidren. You can take a screenshot ma'am. So this we have 2 color combinations. One is bottle green. These all are pendant sets with the backside hook also you'll be getting this. This is very beautiful. 2 colors we have in this with the earrings ma'am. This is with the earrings 1550. After discount 1240. 1240 after discount. 1240 rupees only ma'am. So now for mint green தான் போட்டிருக்கேன் சல்வார். நான் mint green மட்டும் வெச்சு காட்டுறேன். So this is the pendant ma'am and earrings will be very awesome. Mint green earrings. And see the earrings. Very beautiful. Only for 1240. 1240 rupees for this piece. Next one more imported pendant. So this is also very unique ma'am. See the color combinations and the price will be 1660. 1660 for the price. And after discount 1330 rupees ma'am. 1330. Only for 1330. We have 3 color combinations in this. And this is a mint green with gold polish. This is mint green with silver polish. This is baby pink with silver polish. So earrings will be like this. 1660 discount poga only for 1330. This is the back side of the pendant and you can wear this with a simple chain ma'am. I'll wear it and show on the chain so you can go through the chain also. This is very beautiful. Kuduma ellam post panna ungalku theriyum. So enakku ella collections me posting poda solren ma'am. You can go through the postings also. Yeah, with chain also we can match ma'am. Say I have matched with the chain only. I have matched with the silver chain for this. You can match with your gold chains also. So this is the pendant and earrings will be very beautiful in this. See the earrings. Cute ones. 1330 ma'am. 1330 and chain will be 390. Chain will be separate price 390 and the full set price I will say the full set price also. Full set will be 1720 ma'am. 1720 for the full set. Chain, pendant and earrings. After discount. So how was the live today? I have come to an end of the live. Very beautiful color combinations and these all the pens. One sec. So these pendants all we will be posting now for the offer collections. Idellame offer la da madam irukku. So lots of color combinations we have in this. And the light off pannida. So very beautiful collections we have in this offer ma'am. So we have blue color, peach color, maroon color. All these collections will be posted in the Facebook page now. You can go through. So these all are very beautiful grey color combo. So this is a pendant and you have a matching earrings also for that. So these all will be posted now with the offers and these are the more collections we have now. We have blue color also, dark navy blue, bottle green, mint green, all the colors we have in this. So you can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number for all the collections. How was the collections ma'am? Hope you all enjoyed and lots of new viewers were there in the live. So you can follow my page, share my page, like my page and you can enjoy your shopping with JJ Creations. WhatsApp number will be 73977399200. your earrings price or gold earrings. No ma'am, this is a full set ma'am. This is set of the pendant set. Full set will be priced for 1920 ma'am. This is not gold, it's your my earrings only ma'am. You can come to the WhatsApp number. This is all Jedau Kundan's earrings with the screw back. Super and confusing to select. ஒண்ணுமே பிரச்சனை இல்லை மேடம். இப்போ போஸ்ட் பண்ணிடுவோம். நீங்க நிதானமா செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் வந்துருங்க. வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் ஸ்கிரீன்லயே டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணிருக்கேன். Description box we have given the WhatsApp number. You can come to my WhatsApp number. We are ready to answer your queries and all. Okay, that's it. Signing off. Happy weekend. Enjoy with your family. And Sunday வந்து நல்லா enjoy பண்ணுங்க. Come back with the fresh vibes on Monday morning. Monday afternoon 12 p.m. other live will be. Okay. Akka, please post all the pendant collections shown at the last. Okay, Shubiksha. Post பண்ண சொல்றேன். நீங்க வாங்கிக்கலாம். எல்லாமே post பண்றோம். Okay, da post பண்ணிடுவாங்க. நீங்க WhatsApp பண்ணி வாங்கிக்கலாம். That's it. Signing off. This is Lekha Mohan from GJ Creations. Bye bye. See you on next live Monday afternoon 12 p.m. Bye bye.